Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening OnlyWay and granting the storage and font installer permissions so the app can write to system folders. Once done, navigate to the Import tab and tap the plus icon to select TTF, OTF, or WAF files from your device. Make sure fonts are not compressed in nested folders. Extract archives first. You do this to reduce import errors. After selecting files, press Import and watch the progress. A confirmation message means the app accepted the font packages and is ready for configuration. Once imported, open the font library in OnlyWay and preview glyph coverage and language support so you avoid missing characters. Then edit each font's properties. Set family name, weight, and fallback fonts. These choices determine rendering priority. Use built-in presets for web or print, or create a custom activation set if you need specific styles. After configuring, toggle Activate for target profiles or export a font profile. This ensures apps and documents pick up the correct font immediately without manual replacement. To finish, test the activated fonts in your word processor or design app and confirm metrics and kerning behave as expected. If a font doesn't appear, close and reopen the target app or reboot the device. If characters are missing, re-import the original file or try a different format. Make sure OnlyWay still has permissions, re-grant installer access, and clear the app cache if activation fails. One key troubleshooting tip. Corrupted imports are fixed by extracting a fresh copy and re-importing, then reapplying the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.